Pink is not just a color, it's my life. I'm seriously obsessed with pink, as you can probably tell. And I want to paint my whole house pink, like the furniture, electronics, even kitchen stuff, everything. But sadly, I don't live alone, so I'm holding back for my family. My family said, no pink microwave. Well, you are a pink lover too? So beautiful. Suddenly, I've grown to like yours more than the one I'm wearing, and I confident could pull off this dress. Mind if I borrow it for my next date? Please? Come on, sis. I really want it. Please? She's a fashion diva hugging all the pretty dresses. Wait, did you just say it would rip if I tried to wear it because it's way too tiny for me? Fine. I'm gonna make a fabulous new dress that fits me. Watch me.